In my last short, I talked about the invisible wall in CI/CD, but today I want to go deeper into why our test environments are actually failing. According to a recent piece in SD Times, the real culprit isn't a lack of talent or tools. It's a systemic issue called dependency uncertainty. This happens when your application is a black box wired to dozens of volatile APIs and databases. We've all been there. You trigger a build, but it fails because a third-party payment rail is down or an internal team reset the staging data without telling you. This variability is what makes automation feel like a gamble rather than a safety net. I've personally hit this bottleneck recently. We have several virtual apps that all need to point to an Oracle database, but running separate instances in AWS RDS is incredibly expensive. In many organizations, this leads to teams sharing one physical environment, which causes data collisions and constant version drift that breaks regression suites. Top engineering teams at places like ING Mortgages and Valera are moving away from these shared physical constraints. Instead of waiting for real systems to be available, they use service virtualization. This allows you to simulate the behavior and data of complex dependencies so your tests can run anytime, even if the real systems are offline or evolving. By decoupling your application from these unstable external systems, you regain control. You can shift your testing earlier in the cycle and run it more often. In fact, case studies show that removing these environment bottlenecks can jump your test coverage from 40% to nearly 90% while significantly lowering your cloud infrastructure costs. To solve the Oracle DB issue specifically, we can look at strategies like Oracle Multitenant to consolidate databases on a single RDS instance while keeping them isolated. This reduces the chaos while keeping the budget under control. If you want to see how to implement this using tools like Playwright or Postman, check out my other tutorials. What's your biggest environment bottleneck? Are you struggling with cloud costs or unstable APIs? Let's talk about it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into QA and dev tips.